Welcome to HowMuch POS. Navigate your dashboard to streamline operations. Click Add New Supplier to quickly expand your vendor network and ensure efficient management. Input your new supplier's name and select their primary currency. This ensures accurate records and seamless financial transactions. Boost financial flexibility by selecting all supported currencies. This streamlines international transactions, ensuring seamless global operations and easy management of diverse payments. Next, input the supplier's exact street address and zip code. This ensures seamless logistics and dependable on-time deliveries. Add the supplier's mobile for direct, reliable contact. It simplifies urgent communication and builds stronger relationships. Select the supplier's country and state to standardize geographical data and enhance integrity. If no city found appears, it signals data gaps. Verify details or proceed. Our system helps manage these situations. If a city isn't found, simply reselect the state. This flexible system lets you proceed with the best available information, ensuring you can always add vital suppliers. Finally, click the Save button to securely store all your new suppliers' information. This simplifies your record keeping and enables immediate engagement with your new vendor. You can now finalize the setup and begin collaborating quickly and effectively.